Welcome to Proven and Probable. I'm Maurice Jackson. I want to take this opportunity, number one, to thank you for being part of our program. And number two, I want to share some concerns that a number of you have been addressing with me regarding physical precious metals, and also what are we doing in terms of resource stocks. So number one, physical precious metals. As you know, I'm a licensed representative for Miles Franklin Precious Metals Investments, and I speak to a number of wholesalers as a whole, aggregate. Buying is 50% gold and 50% silver, and the platinum group metals, they're just irrelevant and in the conversation as far as demand. Now, in terms of demand, it's low. If you compare it with a couple months ago when we had the banking crisis, premiums were high, which is the number one factor that many people forget when they're buying physical precious metals. They're constantly looking at the spot price. Right now, inventory's high, the premiums are low, and the demand is equally just as low. Allow me to just share with you, the way to become successful is to be consistent and persistent. And what I frequently see is that we move off of emotion, and you can see the emotion because, again, 2 months ago, 3 months ago, every YouTube channel out there was advocating that something terrible is about to happen in the banking system, and there was just this huge influx of buyers, and premiums went up, inventories went down, and demand was through the roof. But the prudent and consistent winners in this space, as in any endeavor, they're consistent and persistent. So I, as a speculator and I, as a contrarian, I love a sale. And right now, although the spot prices haven't changed, the premiums have. They've gone down. And I'm a big buyer, as you know, of platinum. When we look at the 5 physical precious metals that you can purchase, gold, silver, platinum, palladium, and rhodium, of the 5, rhodium has moved the most in the last 5 years, palladium number 2, and platinum number 3. Yet the advocation that we frequently hear is always for just 2 metals, which are gold and silver. I love those metals. I love all 5 metals, to be quite honest with you. But I love a sale, and the sale is really in 2 metals out of the 5, and that is going to be platinum first, silver second, and gold third, palladium 4, and rhodium 5. Moving on to resource stocks. The following is not, of course, investment advice, but I'm going to share with you what we're doing. Frequently, at the end of the year, what most speculators do if they've had a loss is they do the tax loss selling. What we're doing right now is we're doing that now. We are selling stocks or positions that we like. We're going to wait 30 days and come right back and buy those same shares. Hopefully, even if the price goes up, I'm fine with that. I'm going to take those capital losses now. Therefore, in November, December, when everyone is liquidating their positions, I'm going to go ultra aggressive and purchase more shares. And if you're concerned about, or I shouldn't say concerned, if you want to know which stocks we're buying, it's quite simple. They are our partners. We've vetted them. We believe in them. We love their value propositions. Also, if you did take the opportunity to watch our interview with Jayant Bhandari, he shared a number of great value propositions, in particular on coal, that we like as well, but I don't want to take credit for it. That is all on Mr. Bhandari. So uranium also is something that is on my radar as well. I love uranium. So just be aware that you must be consistent and persistent. Remove the emotion, recognize the sale, and act on it. I can't, overemphasize. 2-3 months ago, I'm on the phone constantly for 40 minutes with someone upset about the premium going up. Now that same individual, when premiums are down, they're not purchasing physical precious metals. So out of all of my clients, I would say less than 5% right now are active buyers. But that 5%, I got to tell you, they're the ones that are consistent, persistent, and have the most success because they're also using the ratios and they're switching out of their positions when the opportune time presents itself. If you're looking to have a conversation with me, you want to buy some physical precious metals, I welcome the opportunity to earn your business. Give me a call at 855-505-1900, or you may email Maurice at milesfranklin.com. provenandprobable.com. And also, I did want to reference one more item here. We have shared a number of value propositions right now for finance opportunities. If you're an accredited investor, take a look at our weekly updates that we publish and look at those companies. We're participating in them. We believe in them. And I believe that in due time, you're going to realize the sale that is being presented right now, not just for those positions, but for the resource stocks as a whole and physical precious metals. Until next time, wishing you and your family the absolute best.
The information presented on Proven and Probable is provided for educational and informational purposes only, without any express or implied warranty of any kind, including warranties of accuracy, completeness, or fitness for any particular purpose. The information is not intended to be and does not constitute financial, investment, or trading advice, or any other advice. You should not make any financial, investment, or trading decision based on any of the information presented without first undertaking independent due diligence and consultation with a professional broker or competent financial advisor.